Will home prices here in Boise, Idaho area drop? Hi, John here with West Real Estate Group, where we love to answer your questions about buying, selling, and home ownership here in Idaho. And this video, I'll be addressing one of the most common questions that we're being asked right now. When will home prices come down? Maybe you too are waiting for home prices to drop. But is this a good, solid plan? Let's find out what the data is telling us. If you're following the news today, you might feel a bit unsure about what's actually happening with home prices here in the Boise, Idaho area, and fear whether or not the worst is actually yet to come. And that's because headlines are painting a very unnecessarily negative picture on our housing market. If we were to take a year-over-year view, home prices did drop some, but that's because we're comparing our prices to an uncommon unicorn year where prices peaked well beyond the norm. To avoid an unfair comparison to the previous peak, we need to look at the monthly data. And that data is telling us a very different story. Here's what the data is telling us. Look at this graph, which shows the recent monthly market reports from 3 separate sources. They show the worst home price declines are actually behind us, and prices are appreciating nationally as well as here locally in the Boise, Idaho area markets. Looking at this monthly view, we can see the past year in the housing market can be divided into 2 separate parts. In the first half of 2022, home prices were going up and fast. However, starting in July, prices began to going down. They're shown in red. But looking at the most recent data for early 2023, these graphs also show that prices are going up again. The fact these 3 reports show prices have been going up for 3 or more months is an encouraging sign to the housing market. The month-over-month data indicates the shift is happening. Home prices are rising again. One of the reasons prices didn't crash like some expected is simply because there aren't enough available homes available for the people who want to buy them. Even with today's mortgage rates, there are more people looking to buy than there are homes available for sale. History has shown that higher rates may take the steam out of rising prices, but it doesn't necessarily cause them to collapse entirely. And this is especially true for today's housing market, where the demand continues to outpace the supply, keeping the pressure on house prices. Here's how this information may affect you. If you're a home buyer and you've been holding off buying because you're worried about the value of your home would actually drop after you purchased, knowing home prices have bounced back should bring some relief. It gives you the opportunity to own something that historically becomes more valuable as time goes on. And with home prices going back up, you may want to get back into the hunt before you get priced out of this market. Now, if you think about selling a home and you've been waiting to sell your house because you were concerned about changing home prices and how it may affect your value, now might be the window of opportunity you were waiting for. With record low inventory of available homes and increasing buyer interest, the latest data suggests things are in your favor to sell right now. Here's the bottom line. Now, if you've delayed your moving plans because you've been concerned about home prices dropping, the latest data reveals the worst is actually already over and home prices are appreciating. If your housing needs have changed and you're considering a move, call us or you can click the link below to book an appointment with our team. Let's get you the information you need so that you can make the right informed decision for your needs and your goals. Thanks for watching this video. Keep your questions coming and we'll see you on the next video.